What's up guys, Seth here with Filmmakers.com, the largest online film academy in the world, and today we'll be discussing a topic that is so important in a filmmaker's career and one that I feel like doesn't get much attention. One of the great things about a filmmaking career, and especially a freelance one, is that we get the ability to make money in multiple different ways. Now when I say multiple different ways, I don't mean like all the different types of videos you can make. Of course, you'll be doing wedding videos on the weekend, real estate videos during the week, music videos, product videos, and everything else people ask you to do. But during all of that, I want to talk about a few extra ways to make money that many filmmakers don't think about. These different ways are called revenue streams. What's even better is that most of these revenue streams are passive income. You've probably heard of passive income before. It's basically just money that you can make in your sleep. Something that you put work into in the beginning, but after that you put it out there and it'll keep bringing you money without putting any more work into it. And this is what I want to talk to you about today. Not only how to make money as a filmmaker, but how to make as much passive income as possible so you can gain financial freedom and always be doing what you love. Today's topic will be falling under the business category of filmmaking, which might not be some people's favorite, but as we've said before, is absolutely crucial if you want to be successful in the industry. If you want to learn all about the business side of things and learn how to take your hobby and turn it into a career, you can check out our full course at Filmmakers.com. We have over 1,000 training videos and over 100 hours of content on every single aspect of filmmaking taught by leading professionals in the film industry. Learn the best from the best. We've taught over 15,000 students in over 50 countries, and a lifetime membership to our award-winning $800 film course is only $97. If you want to take advantage of this crazy deal, you can check out our website in the link below and head on over to Filmmakers.com to learn more. First, I just want to get this out of the way. Money is awesome. It allows us to live, play, and most importantly, buy all that sweet new camera gear that we've been wanting. Although money is a huge topic to discuss in a filmmaking career, it definitely isn't talked about a whole lot. It's easy to look up YouTube videos on camera gear and editing and all the creative aspects of filmmaking. Money and business videos, though, are a little harder to come by. One topic specifically that I feel is absolutely necessary to discuss is this one that we're discussing today. Multiple different ways to make passive income as a filmmaker. Let's say that your only means of income is the filmmaking work that you do. Well, that's great, especially if you make good money doing it, but filmmaking work and freelance gigs fall under the category of active income. Active income means you are performing tasks relating to your job or career and getting paid for it, which is awesome, but it also means your entire job is dependent on if people call you or not. Some filmmakers might be overwhelmed with work one week and absolutely nothing the next. It's called feast and famine, and it's not fun at all. Now imagine doing that, but also having multiple different income streams as well, and imagine most of those being passive income. Most of the time you do work only in the beginning, but after that the money for that work will keep coming in and you don't usually have to do any more work for it. Now that's not to say that the work in the beginning is easy, because it's usually not, but after that hard work in the beginning you don't really have to do anything else for it, and it will keep bringing you money in. So let's dive into 5 different ways that you can start making passive income as a filmmaker and begin to gain financial freedom in your life. Starting out with one that is a no-brainer is to rent out your gear. I've known tons of filmmakers who do this when they aren't using their gear. Say you spend $3,000 on a camera, but there are 2 weeks this month that you aren't using it. What if you could rent that to someone for $500? That's $500 in your pocket for absolutely no reason, and you didn't have to do anything. What's great about this is you don't have to just give it to a friend or a rental company, but there are actually websites that you can sign up for and will 100% insure your equipment for you. So it's not like some back alley deal. ShareGrid is one of the most popular places to do this, and I personally used it many times. People in your local area will post their equipment that is available and post the times it's available. You will then rent it through ShareGrid, pick it up, and drop it off directly with that person. The equipment could actually pay for itself while you aren't using it. Again, I have many filmmaking friends who use this site, and I've not only used it but rented through it as well. And what's crazy is, since it's local filmmakers, I've actually had the owners of the camera gear offer to help me out on the project for free because they weren't doing anything that day. It's a community of filmmakers renting out their gear that allows you to have passive income while you aren't using your equipment. There are other websites, but go check out ShareGrid and start making some extra money for absolutely no work on your end. The next source of passive income is a pretty big one, and that is YouTube. Now, YouTube is one that does take a good bit of work in the beginning, especially since you don't make any money starting off and very little once you actually do start to make an income with it. Even though YouTube is one of the harder ones, if you're consistent with it and good at it, the reward can be so worth it. YouTube is so powerful because it not only will eventually make you money, but it's a social media platform, so the amount of opportunities for even more money that can come with it is definitely worth the hard work. Now again, YouTube isn't for everyone because it does take a lot of time and effort to grow your channel and eventually start making an income with it. But if you're passionate enough about it and stick with it, YouTube can eventually become a main source of income and, who knows, even surpass your freelancer or regular filmmaking work. And with YouTube videos that you create now, they will be making you money 10 years from now. The videos that you make today are evergreen. And people say, well, I have to have a viral video to make money. That's not true. If your YouTube videos make $3 a day, it's pretty lame, right? Well, they'll continue to make $3 a day, and if you have 70 videos, that's $210 a day. Calculate that out per month, and you've got a full-time income. Again, this is a hard outcome to get to, but it is possible. This is one of the harder revenue streams to master, so I wouldn't recommend it as your first go-to unless you're really willing to put in the work and effort it takes to eventually make a good income out of it. I wanted to include it in the list though because it definitely is a great revenue stream once you get to that point. So as you're making your wedding videos and corporate work, maybe do 2 YouTube videos a month to get started and then work your way up. The next one I want to discuss is super easy and it doesn't require anything special, and that is stock footage. Now, stock footage is something that anybody can do and is especially good to do if you've been shooting for a long time and have a ton of raw footage piled up on hard drives. Stock footage might not make you a ton, and it of course varies from month to month based on how well your footage sold, but it's money that's coming into your bank account with you doing absolutely nothing. And blend that with other revenue streams, then all of those combined can make you a good bit of extra income. And the best part is, once you've done the work in the beginning, which isn't a whole lot, you can let your stock footage sit on a website and never touch it again, all while it brings you in money every month. Now, of course, the more stock footage you have uploaded and for sale, the better your chances of making more and more money from it are. And you can of course keep adding footage to the site as time goes on and slowly build up the amount that you have on there. The great thing is you can of course go out and record videos specifically for stock footage, and people do that all the time. In that case, just research what type of videos make for the best stock footage and which ones sell the best, and go shoot those. The good thing about stock footage is that it's usually pretty basic material. A simple shot of someone smiling, an airplane in the sky, or raindrops on a leaf. As long as it's high quality, has good framing, and colored well, it will most likely start generating sales. But what's even more amazing is that you can simply just put up what you just shot for a client. Did you shoot a promo for a local church? Put some of the best shots that you took on there and label it under church. You can literally make each Saturday night a time where you get the best shots you've taken from that week and upload them to a stock footage site. There's a ton of places to upload and sell stock footage online, but one of the best places to do it is a website called Wirestock.io. What makes Wirestock different is that they distribute your stock footage to multiple different stock platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe. This gives you a higher chance of making sales and making it easier to do so. So instead of trying to post it on a bunch of different sites, they will take care of that for you. They have higher royalty rates and discoverability, and all your payments will be made to a single account. So instead of setting up 8 different accounts, you only need 1. Wirestock is completely free to use. They simply take 15% of your commissions and do all the heavy lifting for you. Best part about selling stock footage is that it's so easy to do. You just upload your stock footage to a site, wait for it to get approved, and that's it. Once your footage is live, people will be able to buy it, and you can let it sit there and literally make money in your sleep. Wherever you decide to upload to though, just know I would highly recommend looking into selling stock footage if you have the resources to do so, because it's an easy and great way to earn a little extra money each month. Moving on to our next passive income, and that is to sell products. By this, I mean make an online store and start selling things you've created that people would love to buy. This could be custom LUTs or presets, or editing tools like sound effects and visual effects. One thing I'm sure you've all seen on social media is buy my Lightroom preset pack, or my Lightroom presets are now available online for purchase. Why do so many people do this? Well, because if you have custom presets that you use and that other people like, selling them for everyone else to use is a great idea, especially if you have a big following. Same applies for anything else you can sell. As a filmmaker, I personally spent days creating some LUTs for my Sony camera and a Lightroom preset pack that I use for all my pictures. I didn't create them with the intention of selling them, but I made them out of necessity. But to have some passive income, I decided to make it available for purchase on my website. We were making some short films and needed some sniper scopes, so we spent days creating a sniper scope pack to use in your films with all different types of different scopes. We then decided to offer them in an online store. And now we just give them away to all students of tomorrow's filmmakers. As you can see, you can simply take what you've created and offer it for sale. All you have to do is just upload them to an online store, and that's it. You literally don't have to do anything else. They're on a website, someone goes to that website and purchases them, you make money from it, and the cycle continues. Now, of course, you can always update those preset packs, but that's something you don't really have to do very often, and is pretty much the only work that is required to keep making an income from them. If you have a large following, you can always sell physical products like clothing and merchandise, but that can be a bit harder to get into since you have to physically create something, physically ship products to people, and you don't have unlimited inventory like you do with digital products. So have you created anything for your work? LUTs, custom presets, maybe even custom invoices and contracts? Whatever it is, if it's valuable to you, then it's valuable to others and can make you some passive income. The final passive income I want to mention is becoming an ambassador or affiliate for brands. Being an ambassador for a brand means that you promote their products, and in exchange, they give you a percentage of every sale that you make. For example, I'm currently an ambassador for a clothing brand called Naturebacks. For some of my Instagram posts and YouTube videos, I'll include Naturebacks merch and then share my personalized discount code with my followers. If someone uses this discount code to purchase something on their website, then I get commission from that sale, which is a percentage of the price that they bought an item for. It's pretty easy to become an ambassador for smaller brands because they need exposure and you're going to give them that. But since they're a smaller brand, they probably won't generate as much sales as a bigger brand would, and you might not make a ton of money in the beginning. But it's still something. Now, we aren't talking about them paying you to make a commercial for them because that's just something you would do anyway. We're talking about a way to continually make money without even working. If your following is bigger and your work is more high quality, then you might have a better shot of being an ambassador for a bigger brand since they want your high quality work promoting their brand. And since you have a bigger following, those promos you make will reach more people. Although being an ambassador for like 10 different brands could generate a good bit of income, I personally only like to promote brands that I actually love and would want on my social media platforms. Plus, promoting that many brands all the time would be a lot of work, and you don't want your social media platforms to just consist of constant brand promos for brands that you might not even like. What I typically do is find a brand that I already love and then reach out to them. Don't reach out to a brand that you don't care about. Reach out to someone that if they didn't respond, you would still promote them because you love their products that much. And this doesn't have to be clothing, it can be affiliates with royalty-free music sites, stock footage websites, and so on. You get a percentage of all sales through your link that continually generate income even while you sleep. If you guys have any more ideas for additional passive revenue streams, drop them in the comments below and help each other out. These are just some of the big ones that I've personally used, but I'm sure there are others out there that could generate income for you as well. Just remember, don't let the ups and downs of working for yourself give you anxiety. Take advantage of these passive income streams so that no matter what your main business is doing, you'll always have that extra source of income to help out. If you'd like to learn about how to make a full-time living as a filmmaker, you can check out our full course at tomarsfilmmakers.com. We have over 1,000 training videos and over 100 hours of content on every single filmmaking subject that you can imagine. If you'd like to join over 15,000 other filmmakers just like you, pursue their dreams, and learn all about film, click the link below and sign up for our full academy for 90% off. A lifetime membership to our award-winning $800 film course is only $97. So click the link in the description and head on over to tomarsfilmmakers.com to learn all the skills that you need to succeed.
Should I hand you money?
Isn't it? Yeah, isn't it?
I'll hold it and then I'll shake your hand.
Okay, I'll give it.
I gotta take it and then shake your hand with it. This is hilarious.